So now we're going to talk about negation. And so whenever you hear negation, I want you to think of like the opposite of the original statement. So the way that you would write this is you'd have a little bit of a squiggly line before it and then P. And what this literally means is not P. And what this means is that you're going to be doing the opposite. So if I were to say that the ball is red, the negation of this would be that the ball is not red. And that's the important piece that we're adding in, is that it's the opposite, which means that it's not red. Now it can also get a little tricky where this says that the cat is not black. Well, the opposite of this is going to be the fact that the cat is black. So whatever it is, it's just the opposite. The opposite of what's going on, and that's what this means. It's not what is happening, or it's the opposite.